Been there, done that. What's your name? Oh, AJ, yeah, I like the whole name. My whole name is Let's see if you can hear me. Yeah, you just walked up like there was nothing. Very impressive. You didn't even have fish bread. So if you get the smell of this, that's okay.